Imagine the harsh and arid landscape of the Australian goldfields, a place of dreams and desperation. In the early 20th century, a veritable stampede of fortune seekers converged on Western Australia, drawn by the glint of gold. The gold rush was in full swing, and the promise of wealth was intoxicating. But beneath the veneer of prosperity, a grim reality lurked. In this barren landscape, water was as precious as the gold the miners sought. It was a land of relentless heat and dust, where every drop of water was a lifeline. Yet water was a scarce resource, as elusive as the gold nuggets that lay hidden beneath the earth. Gold mining required vast amounts of water, not just for the mining process, but also to sustain the burgeoning communities that sprang up around the mines. Men, women, and children lived in conditions that could only be described as dire. Historical accounts paint a picture of miners battling thirst, their parched lips a testament to the aridity of their surroundings. The miners weren't the only ones suffering. The lack of water also took its toll on the livestock and the local agriculture, threatening the very survival of these nascent communities. The goldfields were teetering on the brink of a catastrophe. Something had to be done, and fast. Enter engineer C.Y. O'Connor, a man with a vision as audacious as it was ingenious. He proposed a solution that seemed impossible, a pipeline spanning 566 kilometers, designed to carry water from Mundaring Weir to the parched heart of the goldfields, Kalgoorlie. It was a plan fraught with technical challenges and logistical nightmares, but O'Connor was undeterred. He saw the desperate need for water and was determined to meet it. Water, the lifeblood of the gold rush, yet a resource in short supply. But one visionary had a plan. As we delve deeper into this remarkable chapter of history, we'll discover how O'Connor's audacious plan became a reality, transforming the landscape and the lives of those who called the goldfields home. The story of the Goldfields water supply scheme is a testament to human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of those who dare to dream. Meet engineer C.Y. O'Connor, a man with a daring vision. In the midst of the gold rush frenzy, amidst the harsh, arid landscape of Western Australia, O'Connor saw not just a problem, but an opportunity, a challenge, a chance to make history. This Irish-born engineer, whose name is etched in the annals of Australian history, had a plan as audacious as it was unprecedented. While others saw a desolate, water-starved land, O'Connor envisioned a lifeline, a pipeline. Not just any pipeline, but an engineering marvel stretching 566 kilometers from Mundaring Weir to the goldfields of Kalgoorlie. Imagine that. A pipeline snaking its way across unforgiving terrain, cutting through the heart of the outback, defying the odds, defying nature itself. The sheer scale of it was mind-boggling, the technical challenges formidable. This was not a project for the faint-hearted. This was a project that demanded courage, ingenuity, and an unshakable belief in the power of human endeavor. Imagine the skepticism O'Connor must have faced. The doubters, the naysayers, the critics who called it a pipe dream, the newspapers that labeled it O'Connor's folly, the political opposition that questioned the feasibility, the cost, the very sanity of the idea. But O'Connor, with the steely resolve of a visionary, brushed them aside. He saw the thirsty miners, the struggling communities, the untapped potential of a land yearning for water. He saw the possibility of transforming an inhospitable terrain into a land of opportunity. He saw the future, and he was determined to bring it to life. Engineer C.Y. O'Connor was not just building a pipeline, he was building hope. He was building a future. He was building a legacy that would stand the test of time, weather the harshest of criticisms, and prove the doubters wrong. An audacious plan met with skepticism, but O'Connor was undeterred. For he knew that every drop of water that would flow through that pipeline was a testament to human ingenuity, to the power of vision, and to the indomitable spirit of mankind. With a dream in his heart and a plan in his hand, O'Connor set to work. No sooner had the blueprint been finalized than the mammoth task of construction began. The pipeline, a marvel of engineering, was to stretch over 566 kilometers, cutting across the rugged and unforgiving landscape of Western Australia. Imagine, if you will, the sight of hundreds of workers braving the blistering heat and choking dust, laying down miles upon miles of pipe, The scale of the project was immense, the technical challenges daunting. But the workers, armed with grit and determination, took on each hurdle with unflinching resolve. They toiled day and night, their sweat and blood seeping into the arid soil, marking the path of the pipeline as it snaked its way across the outback. But the construction was not just about laying pipes. Pumping stations, the heartbeats of the pipeline, needed to be built. These were massive structures, designed to push the life-giving water along the pipeline's length. Each station posed its own set of challenges, requiring meticulous planning and precise execution. Yet, with each completed station, the dream of carrying water across such a vast distance inched closer to reality. Then came the biggest challenge of them all, the formidable Darling Scarp. This natural barrier stood tall and defiant in the path of the pipeline. But the builders, undaunted, rose to the occasion. After months of grueling work, they managed to overcome this obstacle, a feat that marked a significant milestone in the construction process. Throughout the construction, the spirit of camaraderie among the workers was palpable. They shared stories, laughter, and hardships, their collective strength pushing the project forward. Their determination and resilience were a testament to the human will to overcome adversity. Despite the heat, dust, and logistical nightmares, the pipeline started to take shape. It was a sight to behold, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Against all odds, the pipeline was becoming a reality, inching ever closer to its final destination, the Goldfields of Kalgoorlie. The day came when water finally flowed in the heart of the Goldfields. It was a day of jubilation, a day of relief. Imagine, if you will, the joyous celebration of the miners and townspeople as they witnessed the arrival of water. After years of thirst and hardship, the life-giving liquid was now coursing through the heart of the arid Goldfields. The impact of this engineering marvel was immediate and profound. Gold mining, which had been severely hampered by the lack of water, now flourished. Mines that had been abandoned were reopened, and new ones were established. The sheer abundance of water meant that the gold could now be extracted more efficiently, leading to a significant increase in gold production. But the effects of the pipeline were not limited to the mining industry alone. Agriculture, too, saw a significant boost. Farmers, who had previously struggled to irrigate their crops in the arid climate, now had a reliable source of water. This led to an agricultural boom in the region, with farms producing bountiful harvests of wheat and other crops. The influx of water also spurred regional development. Towns sprung up along the pipeline, offering services and amenities to the growing population of miners and farmers. Schools, hospitals, and businesses were established, transforming the once desolate goldfields into thriving communities. Fast forward to the present day, and you can still see the legacy of engineer C.Y. O'Connor's audacious plan. The pipeline and reservoirs are still in operation, a testament to the durability and foresight of this remarkable engineering feat. They continue to supply water to the region, sustaining life and industry in the heart of the Australian outback. The pipeline didn't just bring water, it brought life, prosperity, and growth. It transformed the arid goldfields into a land of opportunity, a place where dreams could be realized. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our ability to overcome great challenges and shape our own destiny. The Goldfields Water Supply Scheme, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. This significant feat of engineering, stretching over 566 kilometers through the unforgiving Australian outback, remains a crucial lifeline to this day. It's not just a pipeline, it's a symbol of resilience, of ambition, of the audacious spirit that dared to dream big and overcome the odds. The Goldfields Water Supply Scheme didn't just transform the landscape, it shaped lives, communities, and industries. It brought prosperity where there was struggle. It brought life where there was barrenness. The pipeline turned the arid goldfields into a bustling, thriving region, teeming with possibilities. Today, the echoes of that transformation still resonate. The pipeline continues to deliver precious water, fostering growth and sustaining communities. It's a daily reminder of the courage and determination of those who dared to conquer the impossible. The impact of engineer Suai O'Connor's vision extends far beyond the physical pipeline. It's etched in the spirit of Western Australia, in the strength and resilience of its people. It's a legacy that has withstood the test of time, a testament to the triumph of human will over adversity. Local residents and experts still marvel at the ingenuity of this engineering marvel. It's a story that's been passed down through generations, a proud piece of Western Australia's heritage. From the young child learning about the pipeline in school to the seasoned historian delving into the depths of its history, the Goldfields water supply scheme is a point of shared pride and admiration. The pipeline stands today not just as a lifeline, but as a symbol of overcoming great challenges. It is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. From the Goldfields of Western Australia to the far corners of the world, it serves as a powerful reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to dream, when we refuse to be daunted by the impossible, and when we commit to turning those dreams into reality. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the legacy of the Goldfields water supply scheme, a legacy of ambition, resilience, and triumph. A legacy that continues to inspire, to remind us of our potential to shape the world around us. The pipeline stands today, not just as a lifeline, but as a symbol of overcoming great challenges. It is a testament to the indomitable human spirit.